Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 3D printing pens available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best 3D printing pens. The fifth product on our list is the SCRIB3D P1. SCRIB3D P1 is an affordable yet high-grade 3D pen that allows you to create, draw, doodle, and build in 3D. It is a great tool for the whole family as it helps improve spatial thinking, creativity, and artistic skills. It also encourages quality time with family. Most of all, it is a practical tool that enables you to create handmade gifts and decorations as well as everyday fixes at home. This 3D pen comes with a stepless speed function that provides optimal speed control regardless of the task. It can handle slower, intricate objects or faster infill work. It has an ergonomic design, larger buttons, an LCD screen for clear mode temperature display, and indicator lights. This device's ceramic nozzle and premium motor guarantees safety and high performance without clogging. Moreover, it includes a 2-minute auto sleep function after 3D doodling stops. SCRIB3D P1 has 3 colors of PLA filament. Each of them measures 50 feet in total. This length is enough to make your doodle as long as you want. Its box also comes with a power adapter, a step-by-step manual, and a free stencil guide. To use it, all you have to do is plug it in, heat it up, and start creating. Though it is not necessary, this 3D printing pen works best with SCRIB3D filament. Nevertheless, it can accommodate different types of filament thanks to its adjustable temperature. Its pros are: it is easy to use. It is designed for optimal speed adjustment. It has built-in safety features. It includes anti-clogging features. And it comes with a 1-year guarantee. However, the cons are: it works too fast even at the slowest setting, and it cannot repair 3D prints. Still, if you are new to 3D printing pens, SCRIB3D P1 should be a good option. It is affordable and easy to use. It is perfect for playing around, creating decorations, and fixing things at home. Up next in the 4th place is the MYNT3D Super. Wrap your hand around MYNT3D Super and turn your ordinary drawings into 3D. This 3D printing pen is ideal for graphic designers and engineers, or those who aspire to be one. But it is suitable for kids too. It has a stepless speed glider that allows you to regulate the ink flow for optimal material control while drawing. Moreover, it has a temperature adjustment screw that lets you switch between ABS and PLA color filaments. This 3D printing pen is easy to use. It provides clean and accurate results. Ergonomic and slim, MYNT3D Super uses an ultrasonic sealed nozzle that is clog-proof and durable. It also has an indicator light that tells you when the pen is ready to use. Then, dial in using the stepless speed slide to set your ideal speed. You can set it to a slow or steady crawl when you use it for more intricate detailed work. It has an OLED screen that shows you all your settings like your extrusion speed and filament temperature. MYNT3D Super includes a power adapter. Its indicator light will show red while charging and green when it is full. You can charge the pen using a USB cable, and you can plug it into any power source. Additionally, you can use this pen straight out of the box as it already has 3 colors of filaments. Its pros are: it is easy to use, it has a good price, it is suitable for kids and adults, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. However, it only works with ABS and PLA. Start your artistic journey with MYNT3D Super. This printing pen is small enough for kids, but not too small for adults. Moreover, it is budget-friendly, so it is worth checking out. Still haven't found the 3D printing pen that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the SCRIB3D Advanced. Create like a pro with SCRIB3D Advanced. This 3D printing pen comes with variable speed control, a large LCD screen for monitoring heat and ensuring you have the right settings, and a range of other engineering enhancements for a smooth and accurate creating experience. Enjoy your creative zone as you get to make precise and unique 3D models and structures. There is nothing that can stop you. This pen has a sleek and ergonomic design with a curvature that allows it to fit your hand perfectly. It also comes with a soft touch surface to provide you with the optimal doodling comfort. This is a ready-to-use kit. It includes 3 colors or PLA filament, a power adapter, a manual, and a free stencil guide. All you have to do is plug it in, heat it, and go crazy with your 3D art. You have nothing to worry about when using SCRIB3D Advanced. Its LCD screen has buttons for loading and unloading, temperature adjustment, and speed. It has 8 speed options, so you can easily regulate the pen's speed and flow to perfectly control its line thickness. Moreover, this pen has built-in safety features, anti-clogging features, and intuitive controls that will make sure that your creative process will not be disturbed at all. Its pros are: it is easy to use, it has a comfortable design, it comes with 8 speed options, and it includes a 1-year guarantee. However, it is not for beginners. SCRIB3D Advanced is for experienced 3D printing pen users. It has all the necessary features that can advance your designing skills. The second product on our list is the MYNT3D Professional. Bring your imagination to life with MYNT3D Professional. This 3D printing pen provides easier handling thanks to its ultra-thin, ergonomic, and smart design. It also has an adjustable feed that allows you to set the speed and flow for optimal control of your creation. Make it fast for filling large areas or slow for precision molding. Its temperature is adjustable too. You can change the temperature with 1-degree increments between 266 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, it has a reliable OLED display. This feature helps you monitor your settings. You can use this pen the moment you take it out of its package. It already has 3 colors of ABS plastic filament. However, this pen can work with a whole range of plastics. So, you can also use wood or conductive filaments. Moreover, it includes an AC adapter for your charging purposes. This pen can be powered using a 2-amp battery bank, so you will not have to worry about cables and plug pockets. You will also get nozzle replacement tools and a user manual. Its pros are: it has a sleek design, it comes with a great OLED display, it is USB powered, and it has a 1-year guarantee. However, it is noisy when in operation. Nevertheless, MYNT3D Professional is the 3D printing pen you need if you are looking for a way to level up your innovation skills. This high-quality device is easy to use, efficient, and reliable. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top 3D printing pen is the 3Doodler Create. 3Doodler Create prides itself on being the world's first and number 1 best-selling 3D printing pen. This one, though, is the newest version. It is the slimmest, lightest, and strongest 3D Doodler Create pen yet. It has an improved design, better management, and an enhanced drive system. With these new upgrades, you can now have a quieter and smoother work process. This pen will not hinder you from creating. Some of the new features include simplified and intuitive controls, as well as a new ambient light bar. The heated plastic it produces hardens fast so that you can draw in 3D, freehand, or on paper. This pen offers the widest range of plastic in the market. It is also mess-free, safe, and non-toxic. There are chargeable nozzles and unique accessories. Additionally, you will have access to hundreds of free 3Doodler stencils online. You can try them all you want. 3Doodler Create's box includes 50 free plastic strands that come in different colors and materials. It also has a power adapter, quick start guide, and tools. You will have everything you need to unleash your creative potential. Its pros are: it is easy to set up, it has a sturdy design, it is easy to use, and it provides great value for money. However, the filaments are too short. Have fun creating with 3Doodler Create. This device is easy, durable, and versatile. You will certainly enjoy using it, so be ready to see your work in 3D. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.